20 people are homeless because of a construction accident in southern Taiwan's Kaohsiung city. Work on a new building caused a collapse in a nearby road, and now 7 buildings are too dangerous to live in.
就是它慢慢一直在下陷，一直在下陷。那一边往下沉的话，就把2个房子拉扯开。
这给你补强的话，你还敢住吗？
当然不敢啊，
当然不能卖啊！我们一辈子挣的钱就在这里啊。
This isn't the first time this work site has caused problems. A similar, smaller accident happened in March. The construction company is promising to fix the damage.
我们全部都去监测，那监测完如果有任何损失，我们建设公司愿意全权负责到底。
Kaohsiung has fined the company $3,000 and ordered it to stop operations. That's small consolation for the now homeless residents who were given just 10 minutes this morning to collect what they could from their condemned homes. James Reynor and Eric Gao for TaiwanPlus.